Hello, I'm Coach Joe. We will be attaching the Arduino Uno microcontroller card to the chassis, the upper chassis of Robot 1. We'll attach the motor shield to that, wire the motors to the motor shield, and from there we will move over to programming and scroll down the page to the OSEP Block IDE programming section and create a template for your programs, and we will dive into making the robot move using the program to get the robots move forwards, backwards, do spins, do turns, and so forth. Alrighty, so this is the Arduino Uno microprocessor card, and it's going to be mounted on this side, and I'm going to line up the slots with the pins, and there are 4 locations where we will have screws and standoffs. Okay. Now, we will be attaching 4 of these nylon standoffs. They're 1/4 inch long or 3/8 inch long, 1/4 inch in diameter. And these machine screws, these are 440 by 1/4 inch long. So the next step is to attach the 4 standoffs, and for that we need a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to put the screw through that hole, start turning the standoff, and snug the screw. Do not over tighten it or you will crack the circuit board. Now that I have all 4 standoffs on here, I'm going to put 4 drops of glue on this panel here. And we'll give that some time to cool off. Now that the glue is cooled off, we will be attaching the motor shield. And all of these pins here correspond to the sockets here, so make sure you get them all plugged in. Unfortunately, there's no way to plug this in before you mount the microcontroller. Just wiggle it back and forth to sit it down, and now we can put the battery pack in the lower chassis, attach this, there you go. Give it a little wiggle back and forth to make sure all the Velcro is hanging on, and now we can wire the motors into the microcontroller. So we'll just route this one here, and this one is going to the middle terminals. The black wire goes to the bottom and we snug that. Now this wire, the connector broke off, but this will still work. Okay, the right side motor is attached. Now we'll take the wires from the left side, feed them through this slot. Alrighty. Now the left side motor goes to these top two terminals. Again, the black wire is in the lower one. And the red one is in the uppermost terminal. We got the power cable here that goes through this hole. And this robot is now ready to move. Do not plug in the power unless the robot is running, because it drains a lot of power and you don't want to just waste your batteries. So I prefer to use rechargeable batteries because I often forget to unplug these, so you'll save money in the long run. And you have more robots to build. Okay, so jump on programming and get going. Thank you.